Remove the main unit and all accessories. Install the brackets on the left and right sides. Install the emergency button bracket. Place the handpiece on the bracket first. Both the handpiece ports and the device sockets are numbered. Connect each handpiece to the corresponding number port on the device. Align the handpiece connector with the device socket and firmly insert it. Rotate the knob all the way until it points to the lock symbol. Ensure it's fully installed without any gaps. Install the emergency button. Connect the power supply, turn on the power switch, and start the device. Release the emergency stop button. Wait approximately 30 seconds before normal use can resume. The participant should lie flat on the bed in a relaxed state. The abdomen should be kept clean and dry with an insulating pad placed over it. Select 1 to flat handpieces based on the participant's body type. Secure the handpieces to the abdomen using straps. Place the emergency pause button in the participant's hand. Tap Start. Operation in progress. After the time ends, remove the handpieces and unbind the straps. Secure the handpieces to the thighs using straps. Avoid the knees. Tap Start. Operation in progress. After the time ends, remove the handpieces and unbind the straps.